I think it'll get a little bit warmer. It's 1 o'clock. I think like 4, right? 4 or 5. That's when it gets really hot in the day, right? It's
Where
cold.
are we?
We're in a little town called Cloudcroft.
Yeah.
It's not a ski town. It's a sled town because we're not quite up in the mountains yet. But we're working our way up to the top. But we want to make the stops and see everything. We're gonna go to what is it called?
Waterfall?
It's a waterfall, Bluff Springs.
Bluff Springs.
Yeah, it's about 30 minutes south of here. I think it may be cold, but I think it's worth to go check out. See that waterfall, see some natural springs. But with the water you can just drink. I bet there's trout, all kinds of fish there. Still keep them closed and just breathe in. Just do that a couple times. Keep your eyes closed. Then open them. It's like nothing even matters.
How many people know about this?
We made some friends in there. It's really good. Really good burritos, apparently. They were all eating burritos. I feel like everybody knows everybody in this town.
Definitely. I feel when I come into a place, it's just like people knowing that I'm not from here. It's cool, right?
Yeah, everybody's been really happy, friendly here. It's
Yeah.
a good feeling. That guy back there was super hippie. He's like, power to the people.
I like this. We found one place open.
The only place on one road that's open.
One road? There are many places. Well, 5 maybe. And I'm glad that we got this one. Feels very local.
Definitely local with hunters and everything.
You can find amazing places wherever you are. I think one of the best ways is just asking around. Ask your friends, ask the locals, and you will discover secret places that otherwise you wouldn't get to. Can you hear the wind? You hear the current like waves of sound. Wow. So we are in New Mexico. This is our second spot in here. The first one was completely different. Dune sands.
Sand dunes.
Sand dunes. That's what I was looking for. I know these woods. We are in Bluff Springs. It's like half an hour from Cloudcroft. It's magical. I mean, there are some cows around here. There is this tiny river. I think it's bigger at some point of the year. Maybe they have rainy season or something. But it's got some magic in it. I feel maybe some fairies live around here.
Check for the cow pies.
They're nurturing the soil. I think autumn is starting here, so you can see the leaves falling down. And just like everything green and 1 or 2 orange, super bright spots.
Ready for some magic? Yeah?
Wow.
This is my hill, I'll claim it. So we could say that this is actually the start of our road trip. We just left Texas, we entered into New Mexico. We're gonna drive all the way up to Colorado, to the Rocky Mountains. You've never been skiing or snowboarding, and you've only seen snow like once. I'm a professional. I'm gonna show her the ropes.
I'm glad.
We'll go down a green, maybe a blue. We'll see how. I think.
Wait.
You're an athlete. You'll pick it up.
No,
You'll pick it up quick.
I will pick it up.
You can see how the sun just kisses the top all the way across.
Should I make a wish? I'm ready. This is so hard. It's not gonna happen. My wish is not gonna come true. I have always wanted to be in the most beautiful places. And there is only one way for doing that. Just going to the most beautiful places. That's it. Rent a car, look at the map, and go for it.